I don't know if you saw this on Twitter. Elon Musk invited Vladimir Putin to chat on Clubhouse. You saw that?
Yeah.
That was kind of a funny one. Well, I don't know. Funny. I don't know what he intends to talk about. I don't know that Putin knows what Elon Musk intends to talk about, but certainly Clubhouse doesn't mind this type of press. Everybody's talking about Clubhouse all the time. Are you fed up yet? Are you still...
No,
you're okay
I
with
still enjoy the banter.
I think Clubhouse got like 5 million downloads or something. I mean, it's the hot social media.
Invite only, too.
You had Elon interviewing the Robin Hood guy over there. I don't know. What were the other famous Clubhouse moments? It's just a lot of people chatting.
Yeah.
A lot of people with check marks on Twitter that are chatting. And
Yeah.
It's like, that's really important. Those people are chatting. I'm going to go join the club.
Have you tried it?
Like for 2 seconds.
Oh.
Why does it sound like I'm hating on Clubhouse? You know what? I'm not at all. I like new social media players.
Sure,
I'm not hating at all. I think it's more just having to add another social media. Like, I understand that the developers have done work here. I like the idea of it, Will. It's fun, but it also feels like a feature that can quickly be added to other social media. I think Twitter already started and Facebook said they're working on it. So then I'm like, okay, I got this other profile. And I hate to be the guy to discourage innovation. Like, I totally feel like this is their idea and they should benefit from it. But it's so much social media that's out there already. I'm like, I'll wait for Twitter to add it.
Yeah.
What is Twitter calling it? Spaces. Twitter Spaces. It's a terrible attitude, actually. No, screw it. Go to Clubhouse. Go use it right now. This episode is brought to you by Clubhouse.
Okay. And you're going to give out all the invites, right?
I don't know. How many invites do I have? Yeah, I probably have a lot of invites now.
Do you?
I didn't even look. Do you want one? I'll send you an invite.
Sure.
Yeah. Anyway, actually, I should shout out who sent me the invite. Humble the Poet. Do you know him?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he sent me the invite. Shout out to him.
Okay.
Yeah, so Musk goes on Twitter and says, I want to have a Clubhouse chat with Vladimir Putin. And then he does a translation in Russian as well, where he says, or not a translation, he does a tweet in Russian that translated says, it would be a great honor to speak with you. And the cool part here is it looks like Putin is kind of interested, which I like, because it could just be, well, it could be a wild ride. Russia hasn't ruled out the idea of Vladimir Putin talking to Tesla billionaire Elon Musk on the social media app Clubhouse, according to multiple media reports. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov on Monday told reporters that the proposal was interesting.
Oh.
You see how I paused before the word?
Uh-huh.
That's how you know it's really, it's in quotes in the article. But more details were needed. Here's what he said. First, we want to figure out, that President Putin does not directly use social networks. He personally does not run them. So basically, he's not a social media guy.
Well, how many followers does he have?
But he's not running it. This at Kremlin Russia _E, which is labeled the president of Russia, he doesn't run it.
Yeah.
Somebody's running it on his behalf. So, which is why the what were we calling them? The spokesperson says we got to figure out if he's even into it, because he does not a big social media guy. In general, this is a very interesting proposal, but one must first understand what is meant and what is proposed. They're like, look, man, more details, please. We'll take the press. Like, well, obviously, a lot of people are going to be interested in what takes place and transpires in that particular interview, in that particular conversation, which is probably why Elon's interested. I mean, it feels cool. You just quickly jump on Clubhouse with Putin. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what happens. I guess that's why it's cool.
Yeah.
Or interesting. But he needs to know more details. You can't, I suppose, if you're Putin or Putin's people, you can't just throw him in there like that. He needs to know probably exactly what's going to transpire, maybe even topic of conversation. I don't know. That response is not that promising. It's like, okay, it's possible, but it's probably not going to happen.
Yeah.
Based on that response. Yeah. But anyway, Elon, he's just flying on Twitter. Whether it's the Kremlin or Dogecoin.
Yeah.
He's dipping into so many segments now.